Today, we're going to talk about 5 gut-friendly road trip snack ideas. It's been the year of road trips, and when this video posts, it's going to be right before Thanksgiving, and I can suspect a good amount of you probably are going to be doing some sort of a road trip to go visit family over the holiday. And so I thought it'd be helpful to create a video about 5 gut-friendly road trip snack ideas for adults and kiddos alike that are just going to be less likely to trigger gut issues while you're on the road, because who wants to deal with excessive gas and bloat and diarrhea, constipation when you're in a vehicle with other people? Nobody, right? So I'm Ashley Oswald, founder of Oswald Digestive Clinic, where we help people improve and eliminate bothersome gut issues like gas, bloat, diarrhea, constipation, and more. So if you or somebody you know wants to work with our clinic, go ahead and schedule your free gut health call below to get started. And so the first snack idea I have for you is pumpkin seeds with coconut flakes. And this is a really easy one just to keep in your bag, regardless of road tripping or not, because it keeps really well. And it could be the thing that can prevent you from getting hangry if you're out and about running errands, taking longer than you thought, and you get hungry. But for road trip purposes, you could make it super easy. Just get a bag of pumpkin seeds, bag of coconut flakes, mix it in the car, or you can mix it ahead of time and portion it out in little reusable baggies as well. And pumpkin seeds are high in magnesium, which is estimated that 70% of people have low stores of. And if holidays are stressful for you or road trips are stressful for you, your body's going to have a higher demand for magnesium. So you can help give your body some extra magnesium by doing this snack idea, the pumpkin seeds with the coconut flakes. So the second idea I have for you is cheddar cheese cubes or slices with red pepper slices or carrots. It might sound weird to some of you because maybe you haven't tried it before. I personally love this snack. I eat it a lot. I think that cheese with red peppers are just delicious. So if you haven't tried it yet, I will say if you're buying peppers, try to get them from like the farmer's market or a local farmer because they just taste so much better. It's like tomatoes. I mean, who likes tomatoes in the grocery store in the winter in Minnesota? I don't think many people. They just don't taste great. And so buying quality is going to also make your kids enjoy it more and help your kiddos adapt to enjoying vegetables. And then carrots are just super easy. Carrots taste pretty good year round. The root vegetables tend to. All right, number 3 is sunflower seed butter with either plantain chips and or rice crackers. So another one where you could just get the containers and then make it in the vehicle, or you could prep it ahead of time. You remember those little like Cheez-It or the little like Ritz with peanut butter in it crackers? I had those as a kid. Certainly a lot more processed ingredients, not best quality. So it's a similar version of that when you're buying the sunflower seed butter and putting it on the rice crackers or plantain chips. Of course, it's going to have a slightly different flavor, but you might still enjoy it. And or you could just eat sunflower seeds with the plantain chips as well. And plantain chips, they come in a lot of different flavors. If you haven't tried them yet, they're really delicious and just can add some crunch to the options on your road trip. So the number 4 idea I have for you is walnuts with grapes. You can mix them in the same bag. They're not going to get gross if you eat them within the same day or two. Kids really like it because they're, small portions of all the grapes, of all the walnuts, and gut friendly, like all the others. Now, the last but not least, the 5th idea I have for you are hard boiled eggs with kiwi or oranges, clementines, or strawberries, all gut friendly fruits that shouldn't trigger a lot of gas bloat. Hard boiled eggs, I'd say try to buy quality eggs. I always look for humane. They tend to taste better as well. And just batch boil a bunch. A trick to eggs so that they peel well is if you're buying fresh, you might want to let them sit for a week or two. And when you boil them, run cold water over it, and you're going to notice they peel so much easier. I know some people, of course, want to eat food as fresh as possible, which is totally understandable. So then you can at least do the second part where it is running the egg under cold water to help it peel easier. And so that's the trick I always use. I also recently learned in the past month from TikTok, of all places, that you can add a lemon, like a half a lemon, when you're boiling the eggs. And apparently that makes them super easy to peel as well. So if you try that, let us know how it goes in the comments below. Right. I also created a video about 7 low FODMAP, gut friendly, less likely to trigger gut issues bars, so like grab and go bars, that I'm going to link up there and at the end of this video in case you'd like some of those options for your road trip or just your kind of day-to-day life, something to keep in your bag. Again, if you find yourself in a pinch so that you don't allow yourself to get hangry. So if you haven't already, subscribe, hit the bell next to the subscribe button to be notified of our new videos every Tuesday at 3 p.m. Central Time. And I hope you all have a great rest of your day, and I will see you next week.